Hello everyone, my name is Shreya and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am pursuing BLLB Honours from Law College, Dehradun, Uttaranchal University. I am currently in 7th semester and I am very glad to be interning with Lexis and Company, who has given me this opportunity of presenting to you guys with this video. So the topic and the purpose for today's video will be the types of white collar crimes, that is the classification of white collar crimes. I'll discuss with you 10 points, 10 classifications under this topic, that is bank fraud, bribery, blackmail, counterfeiting, credit card fraud, extortion, money laundering, forgery, and weights and measures. So let's begin. First of all, I'll discuss with you two definitions of white collar crime given by Sutherland and Hartung. So what Sutherland said about white collar crime is that white collar crime as a crime committed by persons of respectability and high social status in course of their occupation. That is, we can say that people who are in high position, the crime they commit because of that high position, taking advantage of that high position, such crimes may be termed as white collar crimes, such as a crime made by a doctor or an advocate because they are in that authority to do that thing and they take advantage of it. So we can term such crime as white collar crime. So what are its types? First category here is of bank fraud. Bank fraud is one of the most common types of white collar crimes. That is the fraud. Such fraud cases often involve the perpetrator imitating someone else in order to take funds out of the real bank owner's account. So the fraud may help a perpetrator to commit identity theft. That means you are a person called A, but you act as B in order to extract sum from C by creating your false image. So next is bribery. You must be all familiar with it. That is another form of bribery is just another form of white collar crime. So in bribery cases, the perpetrator pays someone in a higher position in order to make arrangements that financially benefit the perpetrator or others. That is, one person pays someone in the other authority to make something happen that will benefit him in terms of what he wants, which cannot be achieved by any other means but by giving a bribe to someone in the higher position. Example, a perpetrator may pay a government official. So a payment being done to a government official in order to get government posts and government jobs is very popular kind of bribery in India. So next we move on to blackmail. Blackmail is also very popular. Blackmailing is demanding for money or other consideration under threat to do any bodily harm or to injure the property, to accuse of a crime or to expose secrets. You blackmail someone that I'll expose your secrets or I'll declare you as a criminal, else you'll do this what I tell you to do. That is, you do something on a certain condition under a threat, which is being of physical nature or by property or any other threat where there is not a free will of yours. So next here is counterfeiting. Counterfeiting occurs when someone copies or imitates an item without having been authorized to do so and passes the copy off for the genuine or the original item. The original item is being copied and such copy is used for any other purpose which is false. So counterfeiting is most often associated with money, however can also be associated with designer clothing, handbags and watches. which which we have the copying of the trademarks and etc etc. So the sixth point here, so the next point here is credit card fraud. Credit card fraud is also very common. There is unauthorized use of credit card to obtain goods of value. You use credit cards in order to obtain something which you may not pay later, which have a false identity. So it is also very popular and common these days. However, people are much aware of these frauds as compared to previous years. So next here is extortion. Extortion occurs when one person illegally obtains the property from another by actual or threatened force, fear or violence under the cover of official right. You threaten the other person that you should give this property to me, or else I'll do this to you, or else I'll do that to you. So this is the condition where you are being forced to give your property under threat. So next here is money laundering. Money laundering is converting black money to white money by using false methods. So the investment or the transfer of money from racketeering, drug transactions or other embezzlement schemes, so that it appears that the original source either cannot be traced or is legitimate. That is basically, simply we can call it transferring black money to white money by using false methods. So next here is forgery. Forgery is when a person passes a false or a worthless instrument such as a check or a counterfeit security with the intent to defraud or injure the recipient. It is very simple. Doing this and that, causing disturbance to a document so that you can use that disturbed document in your own way, which cannot be possible, which is not possible by using the original document. So thus you create a false document. So next here is weights and measures. Weights and measures is very popular and can be seen in daily terms. That is the act of placing an item for sale at one price yet changing a higher price at the time of sale, or short weighing an item when the label reflects a higher weight. You can see this very common in the markets, local markets, and in online sales also. Maybe the price of a product is 7 rupees, but you place that item on a sale depicting that the MRP of this price is 20 rupees and you sell it for 15 rupees. That is, you are being given a discount of 5 rupees. However, there is a profit for the owner of that product, because the original selling value of that will be 7 rupees. So there is a margin of few rupees. So this was it about the types of white collar crimes. I hope you like this and find this interesting. If you have any questions, please do comment and also give feedback and like and share to this video. Thank you so much.